How to make Twitter private. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make your Twitter account private, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to make your Twitter account private, all you have to do is simply go and first of all launch a Twitter application, and if your Twitter account is public you can make it private. If I tap the profile icon from the top left, you can see this lock icon over here which denotes that my account is actually private, so only the followers I approve will be able to see my tweets and I can protect my tweets. To enable this option you have to go to settings and support here and go to settings and privacy. Then you have to go to privacy and safety. Then you have to go to audience and tagging here, and you have to turn on this toggle. By default it could be turned off, which means my account will be public. If I turn it on and turn on protect your tweets, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. This way you can actually make your Twitter account private. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.